Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of lag on the application of Google Meet. You click on settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. And above here we search about Google Meet. Then we click on stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that you will go to Play Store. You will search about Google Meet. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.